Welcome everyone to the free English for Khmer students practice speaking. Hi, back again everyone to the practice speaking English classroom. I've been busy a lot with making the video lesson in other channels, so now I just take time to do again the practice speaking English classroom. And this video lesson will help you to improve your speaking. I've been thinking of a quick way for you to learn English, but you have to listen much. The listening ability should be better than speaking. So from now on, I change some methods to be effective. Start from the very beginning. Hope they'll be better than before. This new method, I will not teach or explain about the grammar. I will not. Please don't think about the grammar. Please don't think about the grammar. Let the grammar grow in you. Let the grammar grow in you unintentionally. Have you seen the parents teach their baby the grammar? Have you seen? Why the baby can speak without learning the grammar? Why? So all you need to do is listen again and again and speak out. So I'll start from the very beginning. Please don't think about the grammar. Don't think about the grammar. If you ask me the grammar, I will not answer. If you don't know about the grammar, I will not answer. I will not explain the grammar, but please listen much. Listen every day, morning, evening, night, morning, evening, and night, and speak out. In this way, you'll speak English fluently. Okay, so let's start from the very beginning. Start from very simple. In Khmer, please read in Khmer. Read loudly. Okay, in English. I eat rice. Very simple, right? I eat rice. So we start from the very beginning. We start from very simple. Just listen and speak. I eat rice. 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 Okay? So speak out. I eat rice. I eat rice. Just 3 words. Very simple. I eat rice. Please say again. I eat rice. Let's change the subject. We eat rice. You eat rice. They eat rice. He eats rice. She eats rice. Okay, repeat after me again. I eat rice. We eat rice. You eat rice. They eat rice. He eats rice. She eats rice. Okay, please speak again by yourself. I, we, you, they, he, She. Okay, good. Now let's try another word. I eat bread. Repeat after me. I eat bread. I eat bread. We eat bread. You eat bread. They eat bread. He eats bread. She eats bread. Okay, let's practice again. Repeat after me. I eat bread. We eat bread. You eat bread. They eat bread. He eats bread. She eats bread. Now speak by yourself. Start with I. Okay, let's start. I, we, you, they, he, she. Okay, good. Okay, now let's try other verbs. Please read in Khmer and please read in English. I study English. Is it easy? I think it's easy because we have only 3 words. Only 3 words we can make a sentence. It's very easy from the beginning. Very easy. I study English. We study English. You study English. They study English. He studies English. She studies English. Okay, let's practice again. I study English. We study English. You study English. They study English. He studies English. She studies English. Now it's your turn to speak. Please speak again. I, we, you, they, he, she. Okay, excellent. Let's try another verb. Please read in Khmer and read in English. I watch TV. I watch TV. Very easy, right? Okay, speak again. I watch TV. We watch TV. You watch TV. They watch TV. He watches TV. She watches TV. Okay, let's practice again together. Repeat after me. I watch TV. We watch TV. You watch TV. They watch TV. He watches TV. She watches TV. Now it's your turn to speak. Please start. I, we, you, they, he, she. Did you speak well? Okay, thank you for today. See you next time. Do you like my video? Please give thumbs up, or if you have any more questions, please write in the comment below or send to my email pichkim3@gmail.com or my Facebook Kim Peach. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to